Welcome. In this video, we'll cover the basics of Amazon Web Services security, explained in a simple way. Let's start by understanding what AWS security actually means. Security in AWS means keeping your information safe in the cloud. AWS protects its servers, networks, and data centers, but you're responsible for securing your data, users, and settings. And this brings us to the concept of shared responsibility. AWS follows the shared responsibility model. AWS secures the cloud itself while you secure what is inside it. So let's look at the main tools that help you protect your parts. First is IAM, Identity and Access Management. Think of it as your security gatekeeper. It controls who can log in and what actions they can perform. The golden rule: always give users the least privilege they need. To make accounts even safer, add multi-factor authentication. It's like adding a second lock. Even if someone has your password, they can't get in without the extra code from your phone. Next, encryption. This scrambles your data so attackers can't read it. AWS Key Management Service, or KMS, makes it simple to manage keys. You can enable encryption for services like S3, so your files are safe both when stored and when moving around. On the network side, you have security groups and network access control lists. Security groups act like firewalls for your servers, while network access control lists, or NACLs, protect entire subnets. Together, they control what traffic comes in and goes out. But security isn't just about locks, it's also about watching what happens. AWS gives you three key tools. CloudTrail records every action. GuardDuty spots suspicious behavior. And CloudWatch monitors performance, logs, and sends alerts. Together, they act like your security cameras in the cloud. To add another layer, AWS Config works like a security checker. It constantly tracks your resource settings and warns you if something breaks your security rules. Think of it as your compliance monitor. So what are the best ways to stay safe? Always enable multi-factor authentication. Give users only the access they need. Rotate your password and keys. And monitor everything with CloudTrail, GuardDuty, and CloudWatch. AWS provides powerful security tools, but it's up to you to configure them correctly. Start simple with IAM, MFA, and monitoring tools like CloudTrail, GuardDuty, and CloudWatch. With just these steps, you already be much safer. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more AWS and cloud tutorials. See you in our next video.